Oslo. Even the name sounds like a whisper, a secret waiting to be discovered. We all know about the Opera House, that architectural marvel shimmering on the harbor. And of course, there's Vigeland Park with its captivating sculptures. But what about the Oslo that lies beneath the surface, the hidden gems tucked away in quiet corners? That's the Oslo I want to share with you. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of popular attractions. But trust me, some of the most magical travel memories happen when you venture off the beaten path. Oslo, with its captivating blend of history, nature, and urban cool, is a city that begs to be explored. So, let's ditch the guidebook for a while and uncover the hidden gems of Oslo together. Get ready for enchanting historical sites, peaceful parks you wouldn't expect in a bustling city, and local eateries bursting with flavor. We'll uncover the soul of Oslo, one hidden gem at a time. Get your walking shoes ready and let's go. Every city has its stories, whispered through the ages, etched into the very stones of its buildings. Oslo is no different. Let's start our journey back in time at the Akershus Fortress, a medieval castle guarding the city's waterfront since the 13th century. Walk along the ramparts, imagining fierce battles and royal banquets. The views of the fjord are breathtaking, but our historical exploration doesn't stop there. Tucked away in the charming neighborhood of Gamle Oslo, you'll find the ruins of St. Halvard's Cathedral, dating back to the 12th century. These weathered stones whisper tales of Oslo's medieval past. It's a place to feel the weight of history and imagine a time gone by. And for a glimpse into Oslo's Viking heritage, head to the Viking Ship Museum on the Big Døy Peninsula. Here, you can marvel at 3 remarkably well-preserved Viking ships, each with its own story to tell. Imagine these mighty vessels sailing the seas, carrying fierce warriors and intrepid explorers. These hidden historical gems offer a glimpse into the layers of Oslo's past. Take your time, wander slowly, and let the stories of centuries past wash over you. You wouldn't think a bustling city like Oslo would be home to so many peaceful green spaces. But hidden within this vibrant metropolis are pockets of tranquility that offer a refreshing escape from the urban hustle and bustle. But trust me, Oslo is full of surprises. From secluded gardens to expansive parks, there's always a serene spot waiting to be discovered. One of my favorite hidden gems is the Botanical Garden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. This garden is not just a place to see plants, it's a living museum that showcases a diverse collection of flora from around the world. Lose yourself among the fragrant roses, each bloom telling its own story of beauty and resilience. Wander through the Victorian greenhouse, where the air is thick with the scent of exotic plants and the atmosphere is reminiscent of a bygone era. Or simply relax by the pond and listen to the birdsong. The gentle chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves create a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Looking for a truly unique park experience? Head to Ekeberg Park and Sculpture Park, where art and nature collide in the most spectacular way. This park is a testament to the harmonious blend of human creativity and natural beauty. Stroll through the wooded trails and discover captivating sculptures by renowned artists like Rodin, Louise Bourgeois, and Salvador Dali. Each piece of art is thoughtfully placed, creating a dialogue between the artwork and the surrounding landscape. The views of the city from the park are simply stunning. From high vantage points, you can see the sprawling cityscape of Oslo, framed by the natural beauty of the park. And if you're craving a bit of history with your nature, don't miss the Oslo Fjord Islands. Just a short ferry ride from the city center, these islands offer a glimpse into Oslo's past. Hike through forests, explore charming villages, and discover historical landmarks that tell the story of the region's rich heritage. Hike through forests, explore charming villages, and soak up the breathtaking views of the fjord. The islands are a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical intrigue. These hidden green spaces offer a welcome respite from the city's energy. So pack a picnic, grab a good book, and find your own little corner of paradise. Whether you're looking to reconnect with nature, find inspiration in art, or simply enjoy a quiet moment, Oslo's secret gardens have something for everyone. So get ready to explore and discover the hidden green treasures in the heart of Oslo. A taste of Oslo, beyond the tourist traps. Oslo, the capital of Norway, is a city that offers a rich tapestry of experiences, especially when it comes to its culinary delights. While the city is known for its iconic landmarks and tourist attractions, There's a whole world of flavors waiting to be discovered if you venture off the beaten path. Oslo's food scene is a delightful mix of traditional Scandinavian flavors and innovative international cuisine. From the freshest seafood to hearty meat dishes, the city's culinary offerings are as diverse as its population. The fusion of old and new, local and global, creates a unique dining experience that is both comforting and exciting. But to truly taste the city, you need to venture beyond the tourist traps and discover the local favorites. These hidden gems are where you'll find the heart and soul of Oslo's food culture. It's in these small, often family-run establishments that you'll get a true sense of the city's culinary heritage and innovation. One of my favorite hidden gems is Mathallen Oslo, a vibrant food hall housed in a former industrial building. This bustling market is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide array of stalls that showcase the best of Norwegian and international cuisine. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a full meal, Mathallen has something to satisfy every craving. Here, you'll find everything from fresh seafood to artisanal cheeses to mouth-watering pastries. The seafood is particularly noteworthy, with vendors offering a variety of fish and shellfish that are caught fresh from the nearby fjords. The cheese stalls are equally impressive, featuring a range of local and imported cheeses that will delight any cheese lover. For a taste of authentic Norwegian cuisine, head to Schroeder, a cozy restaurant tucked away in a quiet street in the city center. This charming eatery has been a staple in Oslo for over a century, and it's easy to see why. The warm, inviting atmosphere and the delicious home-cooked meals make it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. This family-run establishment has been serving up traditional Norwegian dishes for over a century. The walls are adorned with vintage photos and memorabilia, giving the restaurant a nostalgic feel that adds to its charm. The menu features a variety of classic Norwegian dishes, all made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Try the fiskesuppa, a creamy fish soup that is a staple of Norwegian cuisine. This hearty dish is made with a rich, flavorful broth and is filled with chunks of fresh fish and vegetables. It's the perfect comfort food for a chilly day. Or the kotkaker, traditional Norwegian meatballs that are served with a savory brown sauce and a side of potatoes. These meatballs are a beloved dish in Norway, and Schroeder's version is one of the best in the city. And for a truly unique dining experience, don't miss the chance to try brunost, a traditional Norwegian brown cheese. This caramelized cheese has a sweet, tangy flavor that is unlike anything else. It's a must-try for any cheese enthusiast. You can find it at most supermarkets, but for the best experience, try it at a local market or specialty cheese shop. The vendors can offer tips on how to best enjoy this unique cheese. Trust me, it's an acquired taste, but it's worth a try. The first bite might be surprising, but give it a chance and you might find yourself craving more. Pair it with some crisp bread and lingonberry jam for a true taste of Norway. The combination of the sweet cheese, the tart jam, and the crunchy crisp bread is a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Oslo's culinary scene is full of surprises. From traditional dishes to modern fusion cuisine, there's always something new and exciting to try. The city's chefs are constantly experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, creating dishes that are both innovative and delicious. So, be adventurous, try something new, and let your taste buds lead the way. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just looking to try something different, Oslo's food scene has something for everyone. So go ahead, explore the city's culinary delights, and discover the flavors that make Oslo a true food lover's paradise. The thrill of the hunt. Oslo's unique markets. There's something special about wandering through a local market, soaking up the sights, sounds, and smells. The vibrant energy, the chatter of vendors, and the colorful displays create an atmosphere that's both exciting and inviting. Each market has its own unique charm and character, reflecting the local culture and community. Oslo has some real treasures waiting to be discovered. From hidden alleys to bustling squares, the city's markets are a treasure trove of unique finds and experiences. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just looking for a leisurely stroll, there's something for everyone. One of my favorites is the Vestkontorvet Market, a charming open-air market in the affluent Frogner neighborhood. This market has been a staple of the community for years, offering a delightful mix of goods and a friendly atmosphere. Here you'll find everything from fresh produce and flowers to antiques and vintage clothing. The variety is astounding, with each stall offering something different. You can spend hours browsing through the eclectic mix of items, each with its own story to tell. It's the perfect place to find a unique souvenir or simply soak up the local atmosphere. The market is a hub of activity, with locals and tourists alike enjoying the vibrant scene. The friendly vendors are always ready to share a story or offer a recommendation. Another hidden gem is the Grünerløkka market, located in the trendy Grünerløkka neighborhood. This market is known for its bohemian vibe and creative spirit, attracting a diverse crowd of shoppers and vendors. This market is a haven for vintage lovers, with stalls selling everything from retro furniture and clothing to vinyl records and vintage cameras. The selection is carefully curated, with each item offering a glimpse into the past. You're sure to find something one of a kind here. The thrill of discovering a hidden gem is what makes this market so special. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a unique piece, Grünerløkka Market has something for everyone. And for a truly unique market experience, head to the Oslo Vintage Market, held on the first Sunday of every month. This market is a must-visit for anyone with a love for all things vintage. Here, you'll find over 70 vendors selling vintage clothing, accessories, furniture, and more. The market is a bustling hub of activity, with each stall offering a unique selection of items. The variety and quality of the goods on offer are truly impressive. It's a vintage lover's paradise. The market is a celebration of all things retro, with a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or just browsing, the Oslo Vintage Market is sure to delight. Oslo's markets offer a glimpse into the city's diverse communities and a chance to find something truly special. Each market reflects the unique character of its neighborhood, offering a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. So, put on your walking shoes, grab your shopping bags, and get ready to experience the thrill of the hunt. Whether you're a seasoned market goer or a first-time visitor, Oslo's markets promise an unforgettable experience. Happy hunting!